Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will learn about 3 types of sentences in English: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. I will explain them with easy examples so you can understand clearly. First one is simple sentence. A simple sentence has only one subject and one predicate. It expresses a single idea. Examples: she is cooking, they play football, I like tea. A structure. There is one subject and one predicate. Second is compound sentence. A compound sentence has 2 or more simple sentences, joined by conjunctions like and, but, or, so, because. Each part is independent and makes sense on its own. Examples: I like tea and he likes coffee. She was tired, but she finished her work. We can go to the park or we can stay home. The structure. There have 2 or more simple sentences joined with and but or. The last sentence is complex sentence. A complex sentence has one main clause and 1 or more subordinate clauses. The subordinate clause depends on the main clause to give full meaning. Examples: I will call you when I reach home. She is happy because she won the prize. If it rains, we will stay at home. Complex sentence has a structure: 1 main clause plus 1 dependent clause. Thanks for watching. I will discuss another topic. Please, stay with us.